Goal of this activity is to loosen up the hips, work on basic breathing mechanics. Here's what you'll do. Get yourself a ramp. You're going to bend your knees like so. Place a yoga block into or in between your legs or a ball, something like that. One hand will be on the stomach, one will be on the chest. Now, without moving your waistband or forcing it flat on the ground, you want to press your whole foot down into the ramp, and it's not like a bridge or a tuck. Just nice, easy pressure through the heel and the ball of the foot. You should feel your hamstrings work. If you don't, lift the front of the feet up, press the heels down, and then wrap the foot down like that. In this position, you're going to do a slow 5-count breath in through the nose. Do a soft 5-count exhale through the mouth. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.